You're going to love this. I'm telling you, once every 6 months. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool trick and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. Hey, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar, Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood, Silver Grizzly, Alex Guzman. He's got 2 new names. All right. I know that you've had this happen. If you have a newer vehicle and it has a computer in it, you need to do this once every 6 months, and do it when you're not going to be needing the car for at least 24 hours. Take one of these 2 wrenches. It's either a 6mm or a 5/16. And what you'll do is come right up in here. This works 95% of the time. If your vehicle is shifting erratically, like banging into gears when it goes to shift, or even your key fobs can be affected by this. If your vehicle seems to be sputtering and you can feel it idling and it's running a bit rough, it's just like your computer at home. You have to turn it off once in a while and let it reboot and get everything parameters all back into where they were at default from the factory. So you're going to love this. I'm telling you, once every 6 months, take both battery cables off, leave them off for 24 hours. If you have a foreign vehicle, Mercedes, BMW, that kind of thing, make sure you take them off for at least 48 hours. So take them off on the weekend if you're not going to be going anywhere, because everybody's too broke to go anywhere anyhow, because you can't afford to buy anything. And so you just sit at home watching Sweet Project Cars, Mr. Know-It-All, Sweet Scoots, Sweet Motorhomes, those channels. There you go. Sweet Project Cars out.